Okay, here's a little tip on how to get your measurements if you want to be a little precise. What you do is take this, your fingers squeeze a little bit to go in there. And all the way over, as level as you can with it still being in here. Pushed back. And you take a tip of something metal, like a screw or in this case a file. You go around your edges. You have to look close, see if you guys can see it. Right through here and through here, you scratch it. I already did some filing so you can't really see here. But this is how you can take your time and do a remake. There, I'm installing my MSA adapter. So, here's something I did. I slid this in here by pinching these slightly just to make it go in and bring it back as far as I could. Keep trying to get it level so it lines up with where it's going to be dropping in. I took a file, the tip of it, and scratched around the edge where I need to file to see how far out I need to come. I just filed it away nice and gently like that, and that little line shows me where the stopping point is. Well, I've already done that part, so as you can see, this part here slides in, but see if you can see this. This part here, this part, this little silver, it's from file I was hitting it. It needs to be filed down some more. I'll be doing that with the Dremel because these little files I can't quite reach in. I recommend using these little files if you're nervous about using a Dremel on this part. I just don't have my Dremel yet. I'm picking that up tomorrow. Anyways, you can go nice and slow, and you won't really have to worry about grinding too far away. But this part's just a little tip to show you guys. I may edit it out, I don't know yet. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now. You guys can see it, all that ground down that is. See. It's almost there. Need to do a little more so it can slip in. Let's be able to catch right here on this little ledge. So I gotta keep going. Bringing this part here. There you go. Let's see. Right there. You see that? Bringing this part here in. On both sides. I'll bring this down a little bit more. And keep checking that. And I'm also keep checking this, making sure this still fits. Because a lot of people say that they fuck theirs up. I think that's just because they're idiots. Alright.
Remember to wear your safety glasses. A two-gun, you're doing that on top of the carpet. You could catch a fire. But I have water. Lots of it. A little bit at a time, test. A little bit at a time, test. Just gotta keep doing it like that. I can see I gotta take off a little bit up here. That's pretty much level on both sides from what I can feel. Okay, well, this is where I'm at so far. It's almost locking in, but it's giving me a little bit of trouble. See, once they go in. So, what I might have to do is take a little bit off this piece here, or just keep whittling away at it slowly. Try this a little bit more. I think I just have to bring this platform here, this landing, down a little bit more on each side. And I took off these corners a little bit because they were a little high, and I lowered this part a little bit because the PMags already have like a feed lip, so I don't really need that. It's just to help it catch. I'm afraid though if I force it in, it gets stuck. So I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm just going to keep going a little bit at a time. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now. Just a millimeter or two more on both sides. As you can see, it's pretty much in. It won't lock into place till I can push it all the way up in there with the mag, but let's see if I can. A little bit more adjusting I need to do on the catch. Can't do this one-handed. Okay, there we can. Right here, I just gotta, right there, I just have to bring that edge up a little higher so it can fit in there. Even with like some of the other mags, you still have to modify them. It's aftermarket pieces because it's not exactly the spec. Alright, well, keep you guys posted. Alright everyone, let me turn it down. Okay, so, it's a little dirty and dusty, but see if you guys can hear this. See that? A little dirty and dusty. Now listen. Locks in. Comes right out. I just gotta clean it up a little, and it should be tip-top. I'll get back to you. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is cutting a little piece of this lever off, because see these rivets that hold the mag release in place? It won't go all the way over to release my mag, so I have to take a little piece off to clear those, but there's still plenty of finger space to finger it. Alright, just letting you know what I'm doing at the moment. Alright, so it's all set. All I gotta do is clean it up. Just show you. Yeah, pops right in there. Locks in. Wrong side. Comes right back out. This if I can do one of those little tactical reloads for you. Not the angle I'm used to. Get in there. Yes, as always, my mags are loaded. Fucking Sally's. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll show you what everything is after I get it all cleaned up, because even for an AK, that shit is dirty. Alright. Alright, well, nice thing about when you do a trigger job, you remember how to take everything out and put it all together. That makes it really easy for cleaning all this nastiness out. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is nasty in there. Whew. Hell no. Alright everyone, well, as you can see I got it all put back together. Let's do a little function test. They're coming out just fine. Alright, chamber's clear. Try the MSA in there, see what happens. There we go. I guess you're supposed to slap AR mags. Don't have an AR, so don't know. Alright. Bolt hold open in there from the mag. Mag is clear. It functions. Only thing I have to do now is do a range test. Make sure it fires. So, why don't you guys tell me what you think. Questions, comments, all that fun stuff. Alright, later.